Hi guys, so I was gonna declutter, but I actually don't know if I'm gonna get rid of any of these books, but I wanted to organize them, so I thought I'd say hello and give you a little update. Nothing too exciting, but I'm gonna go through these, talk about that. It was Cora's spring break this week, that's why I was like MIA all week, and now we're both recovering. We had a very busy week, a lot of sun, a lot of out and about, went to the aquarium all day yesterday, went out to lunch, sat in the sun again while we were eating lunch. It was just a lot of sun and running around. We got such nice weather though for spring break, so that was great. And then we have a busy weekend, so her and I took off. We've basically been lounging around today. I did some work that I could do from my computer. I'm creating a freebie, as we call it, for narcissistic abuse recovery. I think I'm gonna call it what I call it, a snack pack, because I'm a nerd. But it's just like little bits of what I typically do, some of my methods, some of my teachings, like in a 5 or 6 page little ebook that I'm going to give to you. So it has like a couple, like it'll have meditation, link to meditation, a couple of yoga moves specifically for like trauma recovery. The gray rock method, I'll just highlight a few of those things. It's just like kind of like a little cheat sheet. Maybe I'll call it that instead of a snack pack. Okay, so anyway, that's coming. And now I'm just going to go through. I was just doing this. I was like, oh, maybe I'll just record this. So Battlefield of the Mind. I have all these like Bible related things I'm going to just put together. I don't really have a method to my madness of how I have this set up, like my books, how they're organized. So this is a devotional I've done maybe half of. I love this Seasons of Soap. It's by Horatio Printing. I'm going to put all of my, I love my list, except it's like shoved in here so I don't use it, right? So I'm going to put that somewhere else, not there. Now this, will you be 5 years from today? This is fun to look back on. Oh my gosh, this was like when I lived in Virginia. I have not looked at this at all, but I'm going to do a quick peek. I may end up just getting rid of this. This is one of those things. You know what I said? Let's get an insight into Christy. Probably 5 years ago, at least, because I was in Virginia. I want to evoke, this is my mission statement. This is going to be so embarrassing. We're doing this together though. I want to evoke deep feelings in other people, whether happiness through humor or sadness through relating to my words and music. Because, I write songs and sing. I want to feel like home to people. That's not horrible. That's not awful. Maybe I'll rip that page up. I obviously was really on a singing spree. I have a little picture, a little doodle of me singing to people. I guess that's like, what do you want to achieve type thing. I want to write a best-selling novel. I did write a novel. I just haven't done anything with it yet. And then do it now. Things I did, and I actually did. I checked it off. Voice lessons, I did that. Ebook publishing. Oh, I actually did publish an ebook. Yoga 3 times a week. I did that. I even came to be a yoga instructor. Eat healthier. I did that. And doing a bath 3 times a week. I did that for a while and then I fell off that wagon. Maybe I should try that again. It's better than binge watching Netflix, isn't it? Right? So let's see. Is that all did I fill out the whole thing? I don't think. Yeah, that's all I filled out. So I am going to, I feel like I'm just like with these things, you can do it like you don't want to keep the whole book. It has like top values in life. Let me see if I still have the top values, shall we? Okay. What are the 3 things I like most and least about myself? Most, that I'm loyal and dependable, that I'm fun, that I stand up for people and issues I believe in. Things I like least, not a good time manager. True. My anxieties, they creep up. And, don't follow through sometimes with diet and exercise. True. Who are the 2 people I like and respect the most and why? And I listed my husband and my best friend. Who am I? A woman, a good wife, a fun, good mother, dedicated friend, deep thinker, emotional warrior, always seeking passion, tough exterior but soft interior. And then my 5 top values are family, friends, content with self, trying to be content with self. Maybe it's more of a goal. You know, we always have our things. I guess like I do a lot of self work, self development, health and creativity. Okay, so like that page I'll keep, and then I'll keep the other pages I read to you. But like when you're decluttering, this is interesting. I guess I'll keep this one too. This is fun stuff to look back on, right? I'm not going to keep that doodle of me singing to people. That, we don't need to remember that. Okay, so I'll get rid of that book. So we are going to declutter a book. Yay. What's this? A manifestation. I used to do more manifestation. Now it's more prayer. It's all one and the same, but to me, I just call it prayer now, right? It's envisioning a better life, but for me now it's very much like God is working through me to, and I more ask him what he wants me to do rather than creating on a human level, like what my wants and needs are, if that makes sense. So this is Impactful Podcast. This is hilarious because this was a long time ago, way before I thought about doing the podcast I'm doing. By the way, there's 2 new episodes out this week. Cora in a close private school, which she was not at the time, and now she is. Another one-on-one client. Yes, I probably got a few since then. Financial freedom. I mean, yeah, I guess compared to what, that's such a vague thing. It's hard to measure by that word, but I definitely have been making more money, and my husband's gotten raises, and you know, I feel a lot more free than when I probably wrote this, because I haven't done manifesting in a few years, kind of feel like. What else? Oh, I'm just like doing like how to say it in a manifestation. I'm doing a video. Can I go like video again? Yeah. Okay, so that's good. I'm gonna keep that with my daily stuff because I might incorporate that. I'm doing a new morning routine. I'm like creating a new morning routine. Here is a bookmark. This is cool. It came with one of my calendars, and it has like a morning routine on it. Isn't that interesting? 10-minute morning manifestation routine. Breathe deeply for 3 minutes. Be grateful for every breath. Take 2 minutes to look up and be grateful for the small, blah, blah, blah. So it's like a whole little guy. We'll put that with the morning routine, see if we want to incorporate. Yes, you can. This, oh my gosh, I forgot about this. This was the Rachel Hollis. So this is a journal. I'm going to have something about me. I'm very ADD, ADHD. I get bored of things quickly. So I have different devotionals, different like journals with journal prompts. So I'm not doing the same exact thing every day. So I'll just like wake up one day and be like, all right, I'm going to grab this devotional and this journal prompt. And that's what I do in the morning. So I'm going to create piles because I didn't have it that way before, where I can pick from each pile. So this is another journal prompting one. This is also a journal prompting one, right? So some of them are together. Let's see. Interesting. Like this is examples. What were you taught to believe about gender? How have you been conditioned to believe that how good girls behave? How have you been trained to believe real boys behave? So like for girls, I put that our time isn't as valuable, that we aren't as capable, that we aren't as smart, that we should be the ones cleaning, cooking, caring for a child, that we are weaker. Boys, that they are stronger, they're more interesting. And again, this isn't everybody's thing, but this is like my life experience and from my parents, from my family, my culture, whatever, right? Their time is more valuable, that they should be served. So these are always fun little prompts to do. This is a book my best friend gave me. I'm not going to share all this, but this is something to look back on. So this is more of I need like I have my old high school yearbook there, so I'll put it with that. And then How Successful People Think. My own coach recommended this. This is a good book. So it's like a, I'm gonna get space for another pile. I never look at this. I always feel like there's all these good things that you just don't think about, but I never look at it. I keep like wanting to declutter it and I don't. But I literally, and then I'll read this, right? Like right now I'm like, oh, it tells you grapefruit seed extract, like what it's good for. Bee pollen. I feel like I need to put this on my bed. This is going to be better than TV. It's like learning all this stuff. I don't know. It's like beauty secrets, but also like health secrets, like vitamin A. Like I don't even know what vitamin A is good for. Skin hydration, repair skin. I don't know. It's got some cool stuff in it. The garlic and papaya diet as a natural diuretic. When I need to get into an outfit quickly. Okay, that's called like bulimia. Maybe this isn't a good idea. The cleansing diet, go on a diet of vegetables for 2 days. Start with tomato juice and that would kill me and my insides. All right, am I going to really look at this? I'm not. I haven't. I'm going to get rid of it. Declutter. There it goes. All right. Isn't this cute? This is like a little diamond book holder. Okay, this is a journal that I write in. Okay. Another journal that I write in. My friend made this for me. Isn't that beautiful? I'm very into abstract art, so I'm obsessed with it. It's not every cup of tea, but I love it. This is like a little notebook, a little notepad. You got this. And this has prompting in it, right? Oh, this is a devotional, so I'm going to put that with my devotional stuff. Lauren Conrad style. No. Oh, anxiety and phobia book. This is great. I said was, but when I was learning about just like for my clients and everything, different phobias and anxieties people have, that almost feels like it could come up again. Like substances, it even has like substances that stress the body, preservatives, hormones, and meat. I feel like this is like one of those reference books. So I'm going to keep that as a reference book. Bobbi Brown Beauty. Look, Bobbi Brown signed it herself. Brooke Shields. Oh my goodness. I don't. And all that stuff is online. I'm not going to keep it. Here is a notepad. Another notepad. 52 lists for bravery. List the dreams you have for others. So I love doing this stuff. And then 100 Days of Gratitude my husband got me last year, which was that the other one? There was 2 he got me. Did page 1 of that one. But this is stuff I take out. So this will be good because I can grab from each pile how it is set up. All right. All of these, I feel like I went through this stuff and I'm probably going to keep all of the books. Yeah. But let me organize again. I have this, Start Your Day Right. You know, I have the Jesus Calling book, you guys. This is like a devotional kind of like that. I'll put it with my little Jesus books. See what else we got. Oh my gosh, this has a bunch of my like notes from when I was in group course. So I'm going to put that with, maybe that'll be, I might get rid of this one actually. I don't think I'm going to refer to that if I'm going to be honest. All right. So I have my yin yoga book. You know, I teach yin yoga. The Subtle Art of Not Giving Enough. It's pretty funny. I don't know. There's just a bunch of stuff like breath work, meditation, stuff like that. This is so fun. I got this when I was so young. I think I was seriously a teenager. It's like the dream interpretation book. It's just fun. It's a fun book. That's more of a reference book, right? Jack Kerouac on the Road. Everybody needs it. Everybody needs it. And then there's a couple more. I got this free with one of like my Bibles or something. That's just... And then Boss Babe. Boss Babe, Brain Dump. Oh, this I have 1 page written. I'm going to take that out. Start Podcast. I don't even know. This was from a couple years ago, like 2020, when I did my podcast with my friend. So funny. Okay, that's trash. I don't need that. What else? Anything? Oh, here's more Jesus. Got all sorts of Jesus up in here. Oh, and Joyce Meyer. This is the woman I listen to like every morning. I love her. I have an app that every morning, it's just like a 20-minute kind of devotional type thing, little sermon, whatever you want to call it. On the way, when I drop Cora off, I listen to it on the way back. And there's just a new thing every day, but I have a couple of her books. So I'm going to put that with my Jesus stuff. And, Soul Modes. That was actually a really cool book. I'm going to keep that reference. 31 Days of Gratitude. Let me look. I love looking back. I'm grateful for clarity, love, freedom, compassion, connections, understanding, hope, faith, getting stronger, dancing, singing, wildness, gratitude. I'm grateful for gratitude. Girlfriends, art, my daughter, joy, husband, support. So that's a fun one. And they give you like little examples up here of like grateful for inhaling, exhaling fresh air. It's a little woo-woo. But am I going to use this again? No, I probably won't. I'm going to get rid of this because I just write stuff in journals. I tend to, so I'm going to get rid of that. Here's another devotional my mother-in-law got me. Be still and let your nail polish dry. It's the first devotional I ever got, and it's a good one. Wow, I have a lot of devotionals. I'm very devoted. Haha. Were you waiting for a cheesy joke, y'all? On to be wild. I think that's it. So, yeah. When I do I'm decluttering, I'm still decluttering. It's going to be an ongoing process. There's going to be some big declutter videos coming up. Like when we get to the basement, y'all are going to have to help me maybe. But then after, I want to do like more organizational videos. So let me know in the comments if you like organization videos. But I'm going to go ahead and just throw these into their categories. And then so I can like have all my devotionals up here. So I can just grab a devotional and then grab a journal, like a prompted journal every day. That's in my morning routine. Going to be drinking water with lemon every morning again, which I started failing to do. Gratitude practice need to do. I do it kind of throughout the day. I'll be like, think about what I'm grateful for, but like I want to really like carve out the time for this stuff where it's like you're in the quiet and you're meditating, you're praying, whatever you want to call or do, and like having special time where there are no distractions from what you're intentionally thinking about, you know? So I do highly recommend a good morning routine. But I'm going to clean up this mess, but I wanted to just, I don't know, jump on and do a random video. Why not? Hope y'all are doing well. I will be back on lives probably Monday morning. Yay, after my morning routine. Smooches and deuces.